going on, everybody? So today I will be reviewing my fire kit pouch and the contents that are in it. So let's get started. Here we have some petroleum jelly and cotton balls. Makes an excellent fire starter. We have some UCO matches. And in here I keep trioxane, or the hexamine tabs, and these little M&M containers. I got 2 of them. And in here I have wax disc fire starters. They work pretty good. Burn for about 8 minutes usually. Keep a few of them in there. And I have my 1/2 inch by 5 inch Bayite ferro rod with a striker and lanyards on them. And then here I have my Foxlite gear small multicam pouch. It's made out of a ripstop nylon. It's pretty neat, multicam. And that is it for my fire kit. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day.